Abusers feed on emotion. They'll stir up your emotions so that they feel more in control, so that they feel superior to those around them. They have a distorted view of themselves and how their actions impact those around them. They assume that everyone's motives are negative because theirs are. Abusers will often accuse you of things to make you defend yourself. Do they even really believe that you did the thing that they're accusing you of? Not usually. This is why defending yourself only adds fuel to their fire. Continuing to argue and defend yourself only contributes to the cycle. And that cycle, it only benefits the abuser. This all said, there's only one way to stop the cycle. You have to be the one to change. Learn to ignore them. They're only accusing you to create conflict, so don't give them what they want. Stick to the topic. Don't let them change the subject. Know your boundaries and hold the consequences.